Good morning, this is Ryan Steele here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. Today I'll walk you through our 2018 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Stock number on this boat is 138452. The 270 Vantage has a ton of great options on board, which I'll walk you through. Most notably here is this full beam hardtop, and you even have a couple of rocket launchers on the side. A nice feature about the boat is it does have a anchor windlass right up forward, and then what's great is that you don't have anything to step on while you are going on board. I'm going to go ahead and hand this off to my partner and have him walk me through the boat. So first we'll start off, we have a pair of Mercury twin 225 Verado motors. These motors do have the advanced midsection, so you have a great quiet ride. There isn't any noise, vibration, or harshness that comes through the boat. Now right now I'm standing in the aft cockpit area. Now don't worry, this top isn't as short as it looks. I'm about 6'7", so this is a nice sturdy tall top. Both sides on this boat, it does have a fishing package. So you get a stainless steel rail with the under gunnel shelf. And then here, if you're just going to go out for the day, you've got this nice big seating area. You can sit down, it's got an angle to the back, and then forward you have a aft facing seat as well. This portside lounger does so many things. So I could sit facing forward here, right? Or I could take this seat, have a little area to lounge down, and then this will also fold up, giving a nice cozy area. My wife loves sitting here, having our son, all of her items here. It's a great way to cruise. There's a little storage area underneath this seat, and then when you do have the fishing package, there's a live well right underneath here. Over on the starboard side of the boat, you do have a pull-out refrigerator. This is a stainless steel fridge. There's a tiny freezer section, freshwater washdown. The boat does have a freshwater system, so you have a pull-out sprayer here, pull-out sprayer in the transom for when you need to wash off the salt. You also have one in the head and then one up by the anchor windlass there. Off the port, there's a nice size head inside with a vacuum flush toilet. And then what's great about this helm is Whaler gives you enough space to fit a 12-inch GPS unit, your VHF, some charging ports, and then this boat has the analog gauges with your tachometer and your speed. Here you will have the Fusion stereo. Over here the Lenco trim tabs with indicator, and then you have your windlass controls, your lighting, and your pump controls here. Moving on forward, so this boat does have the bow filler cushion. Anytime you're looking at pictures of this boat, you see these little parts on the side. A base goes in, and then you can fill this entire thing with cushions. Right now, because we keep the boats out and open, we keep those pads right down in the head. This will give you a ton of storage underneath. So the boat does come with a cockpit cover and tonneau cover, and that's going to be right down here. And you have a cockpit table off to the starboard side. This boat is located here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Again, my name is Ryan Steele. Give me a call, 954-529-0020. Thanks and have a great day.